Hello everyone, in this exercise of Solidworks, I will create this knurling in this part model in Solidworks. So in this exercise, I will use the arbitrary dimension. First, I will create a model, round model, and then I will make the knurling on this part. Okay, let's start here. File, new, part is actually default template, and this is the we go in the default. If you don't select, then we will automatically go in the part environment. Okay, especially if you want to select the assembly drawing, then you will go switch to this one. Okay, I am taking part template. So this is the SolidWorks user interface. This is the command manager. This is the tab section. This is the menu bar. This is the future tree manager. This is the task pane. This is the view header tool. Okay, so first I will use, this is the user, I am taking background plain white and unit system is from bottom. You can select any system. I am selecting a millimeter gram second. You can select any other system as per requirement. First I am creating a model. For that I am selecting the front plane is sketch, this one. I am making a round model, this one. I am making a circle. This I am taking, actually I am taking the arbitrary dimension, this 40 mm. Okay, this one. Now future extrude boss space. Extrude boss space blind. Option is I am taking mid plane and length, total length is 180. Okay, from mid plane it is divided equally. Total length is 180. Okay, now in order to increase the sharpness of the model, I am going in this in the upper section, option, and then go in the document property and image quality, and you increase this higher and keep this higher, and this one, and select and click this rebuild button. So model becomes sharp. Okay, I am creating a sketch on this surface. You can create a sketch of the same dia, or select this one and the sketch and convert entity, and the circle is converted. Okay, out of this one we go in the future. This curve section I make a helix here. Helix I am taking, there are different options, pitch and revolution, height and revolution. I will make the helix in spiral. I am taking height and revolution. Height, same height, that is the 180 mm. Okay, this is height. And revolution I am taking 1.50. Revolution I am taking 1.50. Start angle I am taking 90 degree, this one. And helix is expanding towards my side. Okay, I am reversing that clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, it means it is, you can change the position of this point from where the helix start. Suppose you change the 135, then the position of this changes. I am keeping the point up 90 degree, this one, in this way, and direction you can change the direction clockwise or anti-clockwise. In this way you can reverse the direction, but I am taking clockwise direction, and here I am reversing the helix direction towards away, this from my side. Okay, this one, this helix is converted. Now I am selecting this face, sketch, and I will draw a square with the help of this polygon, and side is 4, this 4 side, and this I am making this, all sides are equal, this one, this, and this one. I am making all sides equal. Okay, and now select this center point of this polygon, center, shift key, and this sketch, and make the relation pierce, this one. Okay, now center line, join the opposite vertex, this one and this one, and select this line and make relation horizontal. Okay, now I am taking this dimension, normal, and this dimension and this dimension I am taking 1.25. You can take as per your requirement. Okay, actually knurling is used in order to make a grip on the surface. Okay, knurling is provided on the surfaces in order to grip the part. Okay, this is the part. This is a fully defined sketch. Now out of the sketch, future go in the swift cut, and sketch profile. I am selecting this option, sketch profile. Sketch is automatically selected. Path is this one, this path. Now in the option, this is the following orientation, following path, and profile twist is minimum twist, and hit right button. So this is created, this one. Now I will make the pattern of this one. Now in the direction, this one, linear pattern, circular pattern, you can select the round circular face, or you can select both. You can select direction, select the surface, and pattern I am making 10 around 360 degree. Okay, swift cut, this one, making 10 patterns. Future is automatically selected, and in option you select the geometric pattern and full preview, this one, and hit right button, this one. This is created. You will see this one. Actually, knurling, purpose of knurling, in order to provide the knurling, is to increase the grip of the part. Okay, now I will mirror this one, this pattern. How I will mirror? Future, mirror, and I will make a plane here in the mid of this part. How? Front plane. Okay, I am taking mid. I will mirror this pattern. I am selecting the mid. I am creating the mid plane between these surfaces. Okay, selected front plane. Future circular pattern is automatically selected. This one and this one. Cut sweep. Both you have to select. Cut circular pattern and cut sweep. And you select here geometry pattern here. This one. And hit right button. This one. It takes system takes certain time in order to calculate this one. Now it is created, this one. Okay, now select and hide the show, and you can select this one, select and hide this one, helix and hide. You can provide the material of this one, select this appearance and metal and chrome. You can select satin finish, this one. In this way you can provide. You can, this is provided. I have made this thing. You will see it. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.